Welcome to Motor World, the ultimate channel for motorcycle enthusiasts who live and breathe speed, precision, and power. Today, we dive deep into the heart of Italian engineering excellence, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a superbike that continues to redefine performance and technology in the leader class category. The RSV4 isn't just another motorcycle, it's a statement of dominance, passion, and racing heritage. A legacy of performance. Since its debut, the Aprilia RSV4 has carried a legacy born on the racetrack. Every generation has pushed boundaries, and the 2025 model takes this heritage to an entirely new level. Built with knowledge gained from Aprilia's World Superbike Championship experience, the RSV4 remains one of the most track-focused production bikes in the world. But in 2025, Aprilia has refined the formula even further, delivering a machine that's faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 RSV4 exudes pure aggression. Its design reflects Aprilia's aerodynamic obsession, featuring integrated winglets sculpted directly into the bodywork, inspired by MotoGP technology. The front fairing has been redesigned for improved airflow and stability, reducing drag at high speeds while increasing downforce. The sleek LED lighting, sharper lines, and race-inspired silhouette make it instantly recognizable. Every detail, from the tail section to the exhaust positioning, contributes to both beauty and performance, a blend only Italian designers can perfect. Engine and powertrain. At the core of the 2025 RSV4 lies Aprilia's legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, a mechanical masterpiece that produces around 217 horsepower and over 125 Nm of torque. This engine remains one of the most thrilling power plants ever fitted to a production motorcycle. Aprilia's engineers have fine-tuned the mapping and intake system for smoother power delivery, while maintaining that signature V4 roar that riders love. Combined with a lightweight aluminum frame and advanced electronics, the RSV4 offers a ride that's as thrilling on the streets as it is dominant on the track. Cutting-edge electronics. The 2025 RSV4 comes loaded with Aprilia's Aprilia Performance Ride Control, a sophisticated electronic suite designed for maximum performance and safety. The system includes cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, and engine braking adjustment, all fully customizable through the new TFT display. The bike also features an advanced 6-axis IMU that continuously monitors pitch, roll, and yaw, ensuring that every movement is calculated with racing precision. For 2025, Aprilia introduces updated software for even smoother transitions between riding modes, making the RSV4 more responsive and adaptable than ever before. Chassis and handling. Handling has always been the RSV4's greatest strength, and the 2025 version continues to dominate. The lightweight aluminum frame has been optimized for rigidity.